Today you will learn step by step how you can calculate your risk and lot size for indices. So this works for them all, so DAX, the S&P, US30, etc. So the first thing we need to know is the risk that we are willing to put on a specific trade. So what we've got, right, so let's just say we have got $100,000 and we are willing to risk 1%. So this is our risk, so that equates to $1,000. And then once we've got our risk amount, so this could be anything, it could be $500, it could be $10,000, whatever your risk amount is, that's what you need to get first of all. The second value that we will need is we will need our stop loss size. So let's just say we are taking a trade here, right? And then we are targeting wherever you want. So this trade right here has a 50-point stop loss. So what we need to do now is we need to do 1,000 and then we need to do divide 50. So once we do this, get the calculator. So we need to do now 1,000 divided by 50 equals 20. And then if we keep 20 in mind, what we can do, so we've got 20. And then the third thing that we will need is we will need the given contract size that we are using. And this will be different on all different brokers. So you can find this out on whatever trading platform that you're using. So in this example, MetaTrader 5. Now, if you go into the details on, for example, the German DAX, it will show you exactly the amount of contract size that you'll be using. And then once you have this, what you will then be able to do, in this case, it would be 25. So we need to bring up the calculator again. And then we need to do 20. And then we need to divide this by our contract size, which we can find out on our trading platform. So this equates to 0.8 lots. So 0.8 lots is what we would be using is if we are trading a 25 contract size and we've got $1,000 risk with a stop loss of 50. Now this can be done with any amount. So let's just say, for example, that you are wanting to risk $500 and then your stop loss is 100 points. So 500 divided by 100 point stop loss equals 5, and then we want to divide this now by our 25 contract size. This would equal 0.2 lots. So it's just that simple. That's how you can calculate your lot size for indices. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.